Please subscribe to my channel to support me and to watch more awesome videos like this. Education that we receive from books in schools and colleges is the best and most beneficial activity. Parents say this, and it's the truth. But how would you feel if you had only food but no water? Only your father but no mother? Only Batman and no supervillain as in Joker? I hope you get it. So what's the next equally crucial activity that we are missing out? The answer is martial arts. Some of you may not agree to my suggestion, but I promise you that if you watch this video till the end, you'll agree. I'll give you the top 14 real life benefits of martial arts. Art of expression. People express their emotions by music, literature, fashion, and art. Here, art not only stands for painting, monuments, and sculptures, but also martial arts, which is a complete emotional expression. 13. Discourages to have drugs and alcohol. In India, just in Punjab, 4.12 lakhs people were undergoing treatment for drugs. In the year 2017, heroin seized in the country was 2,146.47 kgs. Ganja seized in Gujarat was 2,327 kg. 12. Social skills and friendship. When you spend time with others sharing the same lessons, the same pain, you grow attachments and share experiences. 11. Control over mind and body. You tend to scold others, losing patience and then regret it later. You involve in fights after losing calm. So this helps you not to do the don'ts. 10. Teaches Asian culture. Every martial art has a root in the history. You will be surprised to know that the Indian intangible cultural heritage dates back the origin of martial arts to 2nd century BC in Sangam dynasty in southern India named Kaldripayat. 9. Better mood. What's the fun in life if you are always sad, stressed, busy, crying, or frustrated? Martial arts practice releases endorphins in the brain that stimulates you to stay happy for approximately 4 hours. 8. Improves athleticism and reflexes. When you're walking on roads, for example, any road in Mumbai, it will be very difficult to jump over the potholes. But this training allows you to jump longer, higher, and in rainy Mumbai, you'll not be tired easily while crossing the flooded roads. In all daily activities of life, you'll experience faster reaction. For example, some idiot comes in the one way and you'll be able to save yourself while driving. 7. Weight loss. Everyone wants to look beautiful and handsome and burn the extra fats. Obesity leads to cancer, diabetes, and all heart diseases. 2.5 million people in India are living with cancer today. WHO states that 1 out of 8 children with cancer will not survive. 6. Muscle tone. Now who doesn't need strong muscles? So help yourself in lifting heavy objects by regular training. So stay fit and stay young. 5. Teaches moral values. Martial arts is a gift to mankind by the gods. Nowadays, parents are sent to old age homes, women and children are raped and slaughtered, students are bullied, female feticides, homicide, genocide, and all other unethical work human does is due to the lack of moral values. You can pause and read the statistics. In the competition of crimes, Bengaluru stands third. और दिल्ली दिलवालों की नहीं है. Because crime in Delhi is more than 60% against the average of whole India. My country prays to Devi but still lacks the virtues of a worshipper. 4. Gives mental strength by improving focus and stillness, teaches proper breathing techniques, constant meditation, and by practice of various principles of martial arts. 3. Gives you supreme self-confidence and courage. Everyone is afraid to start anything new in life. We just want to stay in our safety bubble, a comfort zone, cause we lack the courage and confidence. It takes a special kind of determination a supreme degree of patience and attention to the details of martial arts. 2. Self defense. How would you feel if your mother, sister, or daughter was raped? Now keep the feeling in mind because every day in India, 106 women were raped in 2016, and this crime against women keeps on increasing year after year. Imagine all women of our country trained in martial arts. No one would ever dare to touch any girl or woman. And number 1 helps you lead a healthy lifestyle. Ever wished for a 100% immune body? Even in your 60s, want to look like your 30s? Then this is the solution because your cardiovascular system will improve, eating habits will regulate, and you will decrease unwanted fats. Now spread this knowledge with your friends, colleagues, and family. Please feel free to check my facts and figures in Google. Media can lie, I can, but Google won't. You can ask me anything in the comment section below, and I'll be there for you. So like and subscribe.